Hello! Anybody who's been to Bradness Gallery on a course in the last year or so knows that I've been so excited about my online colour mixing and theory course. Well, at last it's here. I got so engrossed in creating it that I just couldn't stop adding wonderful art images and putting more information on there. So the course has over 80 lessons and 8 hours of real-time paint-along videos. It's got so many lovely, interesting things in it. I've priced it at the crazy price of £25, and I've done that for a reason. I want it to be a complete no-brainer to sign up for it. I want it to be accessible to all in these times where money can be tight. So please sign on. I hope you really enjoy it and recommend it to your friends and family. There's lots more information, bits and pieces below about what's covered. And if you've got any questions, get in touch. Take care. Bye.